Hello everybody. I know I look rough. It's been raining, it's hot. I had my hair actually straight right here earlier and it just kinked up in this humidity and heat. So, at least I put on a bra, you know. Okay. So, some of my treasures today, it's nothing great, but I got this little pink box to use out here to store things in. And it was 49 cents. It's got a good bit of room in it. Okay, what else? I got this necklace. I can't remember how much Goodwill's necklaces are. $1 or $1.99. But the peach color in here, I'm hoping to make this flower tonight. And so I might use that in the middle, I don't know. But maybe. And I got this the other day, but I don't think I've shown you. And it was 50 cents, 49 cents. And you know, I'll probably hang it on my pegboard or something, or on the wall and keep things in it. I like little girl things, as you know. And this LED lantern, the battery compartment is a mess. And I'm thinking about seeing what I can do with it. And I got this tray. Well, the lantern was $1.99, which is kind of high considering the battery compartment. And this tray I got for 49 cents. I'll use it out here when I'm painting or gluing or something for now. So I'll figure out something better. And let's see. Let me get a bag. And this robe I got from me. It's extra large, so maybe it'll fit. I don't really know what size. And it was $3.99. And hopefully it'll fit, but if it don't, you know, it's pretty fabric. And they had a lot of these little doll heads that come with hands. And they were 99 cents. I can probably make something cute out of that. I think. There's two little red heads. And a purple head. I know there's another one. Maybe it's in another bag. And then they had these porcelain doll parts. I don't really know what you do with them, but I can find out. I got two of those. Oh, let's see. They were 49 cents. And these were 99. I don't know if I said that already. And these curtain tie backs for like a little girl's room. It's got like a little purple star in it. Maybe you can see better on this side. You probably hear fireworks. It's late and it's the 4th of July. I'll probably put this up tomorrow and hopefully finish the flower. But anyway, these make good hooks out here because they're very sturdy. So, and they're cute. And purple. Pink, purple, and neon green. That's what I like. And here's some of those dry erase things. I got one of those boards over there. 49 cents. And just some more cute clutter to hang out here. It was 49 cents. And I got this little mirror for 49 cents. I'll keep right here where I can see how hideous I look before I do a video. Okay. And this was 49 cents. I've gotten some of these before. And they're brand new. I don't know. I guess some stores getting rid of them because they still had tags on some of them. So I'll just add that to the others. Because I know exactly where I put them the other day when I'm trying to clean this place. I ain't got it clean yet, but I can make it over here barely. Okay, and I got this for 49 cents. And it's small. I can keep it in one of these drawers. You know, I showed you my big monster cutter out there. I ain't even brought it in yet because it's so huge and I'm sweating. I didn't want to run my fan because I didn't know for sure if you'd be able to hear me. So And the fireworks are bad enough without that running. And this, I've got another one of these that may be different color. I'm going to take the picture frame part out and just hang it for a decoration. Because I think it's cute and childish. That's what I like. And I got 2 packs of these. It's button covers. And they're good to use in the center of fabric flowers. So that's what I'm going to do with them. And I hope you can see good enough where I got the camera. I can do better next time if you can't. I mostly got more clutter for out here, like I need it. And another flower. Put with these. I know. And I think the flower was $1. I don't know if I told you how much the Laugh Out Loud sign was. It was 49 cents. And then they had these purple jar lids for crafts. And that one's blue with flowers on it. And blue with flowers, and there's a lot of the purple. So, that'll come in handy for something. I knocked my little ostrich over. Or whatever he is. Okay. And I got, I wonder if that's the price for that. Probably. I don't know. Anyway, I got this. I've got a lot of these because I'm wanting to repaint them. I got them stashed over there somewhere. Oh, right here. See, here's a larger one I've had that I got at a thrift store, of course. It's pretty. The way it is, but I'll paint it anyway. Probably. So I'll just go ahead and add that into the pile. Oh, there's the other one of those. They both look the same. And oh, okay, there's a head. The blue head with hands. And that's everything. Oh, and I got that little, it's kind of a wedding one, I think. But it's on the mannequin, so I like it. It was cheap. I don't remember. I don't know if that price tag goes with it or that other thing. Let's see. And I got this cork board. Somebody put it inside a frame and painted it. Looks like it was a gray frame. I guess somebody painted it. I don't know. But it was 99 cents. So I'll use it out here somewhere. Maybe. And if I don't use it out here, I've got a pretty pink one at work. And I think this one might be prettier. It's kind of flimsy, but if I don't use it here, I might try using it at work. I don't know. And, okay, this is silly. Like a lot of my stuff. But I got 2 of these. They were in the toy department. I have no idea what they are. And they were $1.99. I didn't expect them to be that much, but I'm going to use them as little shelves for some of my little containers. And then I can set something up here. And I thought I'd paint them. But I don't know, it'd be a lot easier to clean the way they are. Let me see what this says on the back. Paradise Kids. Whatever that is. I got a grandson, so I don't know about all this. And I have a son. So, boys. Okay. And I got 2 of these. Ain't they huge? And these things are so out of date. And they had $2.99 just because it's big. But they got $2.99 for it anyway, so I guess they knew what they were doing. But what I'm thinking with all these, can you imagine stringing crystals from one to the other. That'd be a lot of crystals. This could be made really pretty, and I got 2 of them. I don't know if I said that. Huge! But anyway, I believe that's everything. Oh, well, I got some clothes for fabric, too. I guess I can show you some of the fabrics. Well, they're perfumey, but that's a pretty floral design. And then that, I want to make another, ooh. Oh, they smell like perfume. But anyway, I want to make another quilt flower. That'd be cute. That's why I got that one. And this one for quilt flower also. It's got the little pink raised places on it. I hope the camera's close enough. And I got that. It's just pretty fabric. And that's pretty fabric. Woo! And then that's pretty fabric. And this will have to go back into the house to be washed. But I wanted to share all this with you. And I would have put on a cap. I'm going to start wearing a cap when my hair is like this. Or when I have bedhead. Because, so I didn't have bedhead. I know it might look like it, but my cat was in the bedroom. And my boyfriend's already asleep because he has to get up early. So, I couldn't wear my cap. And I'm sweating. So, if the camera's not close enough, maybe it will be next time. And maybe I'll look better next time. And maybe it won't be so humid. But anyway, keep watching my videos and subscribe, and we'll see what all we can create. Bye. I always cut my hand off. Get off of me. Okay, let's see. I didn't hit record. Oh yeah, I did. Well, that ain't good. From my face.